In the last video, we have learned how to write comments to our C file. So in this video, what we are going to learn is that we are going to learn about variables. So what are variables? Variables are the storage places for different data types. So let us just write a comment here, a singular comment of variables. Great, so I got the spelling right. So this is a single comment for variables. So a variable, it must have a data type, and then you must have the name of that variable. You must have that name of the variable, and then you need to say equal, and then you put that data you want to store. For example, if you want to store the age of a user, you can just say int, and then we say age. This is the name. We say age is equal to 35. So great. After you're writing this, you need to write this to show that you are finishing your line. So great. So now we have the data type, which is an integer, and you have the age, which is the name of the variable, and then you have the value. So here we can just say data value. So great. So again, remember this code, remember the comments, they will not run. It will just use for readability purposes. So you may be tempted that if you want to print the age, of the user, you can just simply say print. You can just say print, and then you just say age. You can be tempted to think that if you run this code, it will run, but let us see what happens. Let's just say save and say abort, and then say run. Let's see what will happen. So if you look here, so we don't have the age here, so it means that we have a problem. So to print a variable, what we need a format specifiers. So we are going to talk about the format specifiers in our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.